Library use case. Scan ISBN barcodes into a library spreadsheet. Whether you are cataloging a classroom library, a church book corner, or your home shelf, ScanSheets. Here is what you get. Library template with ISBN, title placeholder. Free for libraries up to 1000. CSV/XLSX export ready for. The choice comes down to a few things. Library template with ISBN, title placeholder. Free for libraries up to 1000. CSV/XLSX export ready for. Ideal for classroom and school library cataloging, home library inventory for insurance, church library, and small lending library. Quick answer, not automatically. ScanSheet records the ISBN barcode, which you can then look up in your preferred book database. Open ScanSheet free, no app install, no card needed, and start scanning. Scan.SkyCang.com